In section 3, we turn to the imperfect for middle week cal forms. Whereas the perfect forms did not show you in a conjugated form the difference between a middle vav or a middle yod verb, in the imperfect paradigm, we can discern 3 different vowel patterns. A vowel pattern with a U vowel, with a I vowel, and with an O vowel. So the cal imperfect paradigm, which you know well of katal, is yiktol, tiktol, tiktol, tiktali, ektol, yiktalu, tiktolna, tiktalu, tiktolna, niktol. For kum, the paradigm is yakum, takum, takum, takumi, akum. Yakumu, tukumena, takumu, tukumena, nakum. It shows very clearly the oo sound of the shurek. For seem, on the other hand, we have yasim, tasim, tasim, tasimi, asim. Yasimu, tisimena, tasimu, tisimena, nasim, showing clearly the I vowel of the Hirek Yod. And for bo, we have the O vowel sound. Yavo, tavo, tavo, tavoi, avo. Yavou, tuvoena, tavou, tuvoena, navo. Here we have the clear holum O vowel sound. The cal imperfect paradigm of kum, this of the 3, should be memorized. If it is memorized well, you should be able to discern the other 2 by simply remembering that there are 3 different vowel patterns for middle weeks in the imperfect. 3 notes about middle week imperfects. First, the vowel on the prefix letter is typically going to be a comets. The only place it is not is the 3rd or 2nd feminine plural form, in which case you see vowel reduction. So the form in advance of vowel reduction would be what you would expect with the stronger long vowel on the prefix. For instance, you would expect taku mena. But note, if you do the syllables, that you have 4 syllables in this word. And in this form, this would be the tonic, this would be the pretonic, and this would be the propretonic. In comets, in a propretonic syllable reduces to schwa, giving us the paradigm form tukumena. Second, though the paradigms show 3 distinct vowel classes, the shurek class, the hirek yod class, and the holum class, do be aware that at times there is crossover between the types. So even though you would expect, and the form properly would be yasim, at times in the text you will find a form like yasum, where the vowel types have started to mix. Third, for the verb bo, the form tuvoena, which you expect, sometimes will occur as tavona. In this case, the aleph has quiesced, having no vowel sound, and therefore the stress has been placed on the 2nd syllable of the word. It has now become a 3-syllable word instead of a 4-syllable word. Consider these 4 examples. First, Deuteronomy 13:2. Ki yakum b'kirbaka navi o holem holom. So ki, in this case a conditional, if yakum, cal imperfect, 3rd masculine singular of kum, to arise. So if one arises, verb b in kerev, midst, plus a possessive suffix, in your midst. Navi o holem halom. So navi, a prophet, simple noun, o, the conjunction or, holem halom. The first of these two words is a participle, cal participle masculine singular of halam, to dream, in construct, in fact, with the noun halom, dreams. So if a dreamer of dreams, or a prophet, arises in your midst. Second, 1 Samuel 22:7. Yasim sarei alafim v'sarei me'ot. So we begin with the verb, as is common. Will he make? Cal imperfect, third masculine singular of seem. Note that it's an imperfect verb. It shows the vowel class. Will he place or put or make? Sarei alafim. Note that sarei, ending in the tsere yod, is a masculine plural construct form. Commanders of, and this is the number, thousands, elef, 1,000 in the plural, thousands, v, and, then another construct, commanders of me'ot, 100 in the plural, hundreds. Third, Genesis 46:3. Al tira merada mitzrayma ki lagoy gadol asimcha sham. We begin with al, the negative particle, telling that we have a negation of a command. Notice that as all, it is a one-time negation. Tira, merada are two forms from first yod verbs, which we will cover in the next chapter. This is you shall not fear or do not fear. Min, may, from. Reda is yarad, the verb that again we will cover in the next chapter, which means to go down. Mitzrayma, this is Mitzrayim, Egypt. The is the directional hey, to Egypt. We then have ki. Now, as we've covered earlier in the grammar, ki can mean many different things. However, in this case, it seems very clearly complementary because it explains why, or we might even better say causal, why the people should not be afraid, because le goy, for a nation, gadol, a great nation, then asimaka. So this is a cal imperfect with aleph being the prefix, first common singular of seem, to make, put, place. And then it has ka, the second masculine singular object suffix. I will make you for a great nation, sham, there. Then fourth, finally, Joshua 9:8. Mi atem ume'ayin tavo'u. So me is the interrogative, who. Atem is the personal pronoun. This is a verbless clause. Who are you? U, and. Me, this is min. Note that because the noon assimilates but cannot double the following aleph, we have compensatory lengthening. May ayin, which is where, and from where. Tavo'u. Tavo'u is a cal imperfect second masculine plural of bow. Note that even though the form is written in this case without the holum, you still have the vowel sound o. It is simply written without the mater.